What up, guys?
Yo.
On this nice afternoon, getting ready to work on Luciano's. What year is this Mustang? 66 Mustang. I'm gonna start cleaning all the mating surfaces where gaskets go to get ready to start putting this bad boy back together.
Yay!
Seen videos of Xander cleaning and painting everything. So
Broken bolt out, rusty mess out.
I'm gonna clean up all the surfaces and get ready to start putting this back together. All right, good morning, guys. Back up on Luciano's 66 Mustang, I believe. Clean up all the gasket surfaces so we can get ready to put the intake, timing cover, water pumps, reseal basically the whole motor. So, been working on the timing chain, like original or old gaskets, excuse me. So, I got this side pretty much done. You just gotta get the stud out of there. I can work on that side a little better. We got all the intake runners all blocked off. Oh, I gotta get that front one there. And clean that. Where the seal goes in the back and the front. Make sure it's all clean. And probably put it up on the lift. I mean, it's sitting by the lift. So put the arms underneath, get underneath, and get where the oil pan goes. So that's all ready to go. So we can just start putting this bad boy back together. So we're getting there, guys. Okay, well, got the intake area all cleaned up. So we'll work back on the timing chain area. Gasket's a little bit thicker there, but I'm getting there. Getting there. Like I said, then we'll get it up on the lift and get where the oil pan goes. And go look for these gaskets. All right. Okay. Got the timing chain area all cleaned up. I just gotta wait until he pulls that stud out. There's a broke at the stud, so he's gonna drill that out. And then I'll finish cleaning up that area. The bottom there, all the way around to the top. So the other side's nice and clean. Like I said, where the intake goes, nice and clean. And I'm gonna get ready to put this car up and get where the oil pan goes. And I'll show you underneath here in a little bit.